I support soccer as well. Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Good one. Huh? Yeah. Today, because yesterday I lost. But Ronaldo. Yeah, I like. Yeah. That's what you did. The post. I lost. So I don't know. Did you watch it? Huh? Did you watch it? I couldn't. Select. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Today. Hi, darling. Just ready for the seat to be open.
It's really different.
We ready to go, guys? Fantastic.
It's been enough for me for 15 minutes. Then we need more. Another batch.
So how many bags do you go through a day? Big bag?
Big bag about 2. About 40 kilos. A big
What's
Spanish
kilos
onions.
in pounds? You say I'm not best.
Oh, I don't know. I'm a kilo person. Not everything, sir, yeah? Ne ima bedin bag sa stotinki вътре. Is that enough, sir? Another large chicken here. Yeah, 7 pounds. Thank you. Extra chili on top?
No. Thank you.
Everything, sir? Yes, famous. Is that enough onion or more?
Yeah, sorry, can I have no tomato?
Yeah, oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'll take them out.
Sorry, forgot to mention.
No problem.
What was the question you asked?
I would like more onions.
That's fine, thank you. We then find out.
Good, bulgur. Is there extra chili for you?
Yeah, can I get 3, please?
3. So there's already 1. This is 3 now, or do you want another?
Yeah, 1 more powder. Thank you.
Oh, that feels so famous.
You go to Hollywood?
Yeah.
You go to Hollywood?
Yeah. You on camera? Smile.
I know, I know.
Rice box after, please. Extra chili, sir?
Sorry?
Extra chili?
Oh, yeah, this is a bit.